Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Testing Gyan. In today's video, we are going to learn about break and continue statements in Java. So let's understand about these statements. Let me open my Eclipse. So guys, what break statement basically means? So break statement is basically used to exit the loop irrespective of whether the condition is true or false. So let's see it with an example. Let me write a for loop over here. So let me execute it. So here I have written a simple for loop to print 0 to 9. So it printed. Now I want it to be print only till 4. So what I'll do, I'll put a condition over here. If I equals to 4, it should break the loop. So irrespective of this condition is true or false, it will execute only till I equal to 4. Let me execute it. So as you guys can see, it executed only till 4. So guys, this break statement can be used in other loop as well. You can use it in while loop, do while loop, or in switch case as well. So let's understand what continue means now. So the continue statement is basically used to immediately move to the next iteration of the loop. So what that means is basically whenever code found this continue statement, the control will be taken to the next iteration. So let's understand this as well with an example. So instead of break, if I write continue over here, let me put this after this if block. I'll tell you why I'm putting this after this if block, and let me execute it now. So if you see, only 4 is not there because at 4 we have kept this continue. So the control was taken to the next iteration, hence 4 was not printed. But if I have kept this here only, then now if I execute it, now it is printing 4 as well because this statement is executing before the continue statement. I hope guys now break and continue is clear. Even if you have any doubt now, you can mention and comment. I'll try my best to resolve it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and comment over the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.